from the given problem and are as follows. ROE 18%, R 15%, G value 12%, 1 minus B is 0.4, B is 0.6 and NPN is 8%, which are the given things in the problem and which are useful for calculating the equity multiples. These are the formulae we are using in calculating equity multiples, and here is the problem for you which you can go through, and then we can go for proceeding for calculating equity multiples. As you have gone through the problem which I have projected for you people, we have different multiples to be calculated and equity multiples of relative valuation. In that, there are three multiples that we need to calculate. The first one is PE multiple, and here I have given the formula. PP multiple, and here I have given the formula, and PS multiple, and here I have given the formula for it. From the given problem which I have projected for you people, I have taken down the given things over here, which makes your job easy and fast going. From the given problem, we can make out that ROE given as 18%, which we can represent it as 0.18. R, return on equity, 15% can be written as 0.15. Growth rate, 12% can be written as 0.12. 1 minus B, that is like that ratio, 0.4. B value, 0.6 is given there. NPM value, that is net profit margin value, is given as 8%, can be represented as 0.08, and they are asking us to calculate these three multiples. Now we move on to the calculation part of equity multiples. The first multiple is PE multiple, wherein here is the formula I have given to you people, and you can have the given things here and we can substitute over here and we can arrive at the values of multiple. Now look into the given things and substitute over here and we will arrive at it. 1 minus B, here it is given as 0.4, take down the value, 0.4 divided by R value, take it as 0.15, 0.15 into ROE value is 0.18 into B value is given as 0.6. If you calculate using a calculator, you will arrive at the values as follows. If you calculate using a calculator, that we are going to arrive at 0.4 divided by 0.15 into 0.18 into 0.6. That's going to be 9.52 we are going to arrive at. This is going to be 9.52 we will get the value. That is PE multiple value we are going to arrive at 9.52. This is about the calculation of PE multiples, right? That is price to earning multiples. Here 1 minus B is the dividend payout ratio, that is the earnings which the shareholders will get. How much they get? 0.4, means 40% of the earnings will be given to the shareholders as dividend payout ratio. And here is B, dividend retention ratio, that is 0.6. 60% of the dividends are retained with the company. So earnings to the price to the earnings, that is earnings are taken on the basis of, you are going to calculate PE multiple here. Now move on to the next one, PB multiple. It is also known as price to book value multiple. Here is the formula given for it, and you can look into the formula wherein I have taken the given values over here. We will substitute in the formula and we are going to arrive at it as ROE is 0.18 into, open a bracket, 1 plus G. Here is the G value, that is 1 plus G, that is 1 plus 0.12 into 1 minus B, that is 0.4, all divided by R minus G. R value is 0.15 minus G value is 0.12. So we need to calculate the value for it. Now using calculator, we will calculate the value for it. Okay. Look into this. If you take into consideration all these values, 0.18 into 1.12, if you add up these two things, into 0.4, this is going to be 0.08, answer, all divided by 0.03. This is going to be 2.24, we get the value. 2.24 is the PE multiple value of this problem. Sorry, PB multiple of value of this problem. Now move to the next one, that is PS multiple. Wherein here is the problem given to you people. We can have the given things and substitute in this, and we can arrive at the PS multiple value. Now go on substituting in this. NPM, how much is given here? 0.08. 0.08 into 1 plus G. So 1 plus G is 1, G is 0.12, that is 1 plus 0.12 into 1 minus B. 1 minus B value is 0.4, all divided by R minus G. R is 0.15 minus G value is 0.12. Now P bar S value is equal to, now calculate with the calculator. So we are going to arrive at the following value. Take the values, 0.08 into 1.12. If we take 1 plus 0.12, 1.12 into 0.4. So that is the answer. That is all divided by 0.03. It's going to be 1.19. This is going to be PS multiple value. So this is how we calculate equity multiple values using equity valuation multiple formula. The PA multiple value we got 9.52, PB multiple we got 2.24, and PS multiple we got 1.19 using the given information as follows in the given problem. So this is about equity multiple calculation. Next video we will look into how to calculate the second type of valuation multiple, that is enterprise multiple values calculation. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.